everyone, I'm Anna and welcome back to my channel Everything Enchanting. The Body Shop brand has recently launched its beauty advent calendars and I got the ultimate wishes and wonders advent calendar from them. Do you want to see what's inside this advent calendar? Then watch this video till the end because I'm going to unbox and review the Wishes and Wonders advent calendar for 2023. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox this set. So this is the large green Wishes and Wonders advent calendar box that I got from the Body Shop. And here it is. Can you see the beautiful pop-up illustrations here? And then we have this dress. So for day one we have the shower cream, the Body Shop avocado shower cream for dry skin. Okay, so it's a 250 ml product, vegan shower cream. Lather up the beautiful body, rinse, leave dry skin feeling cleansed and hydrated. So this avocado shower cream is meant for dry skin and is green and creamy. So how does it smell? It has a mild fragrance. So for day 2 we have this chamomile sumptuous makeup cleansing butter. I use this product and it's an amazing makeup remover. It's vegan and it's suitable for sensitive skin also. I have already reviewed it on my blog, so in case you are interested in reading the review, you can check that out. Add the link to the description box. So what we have for day 3, let's check that out. So for day 3 we have this. The Edelweiss liquid pill. So I have used Edelweiss serum and cleanser, but I haven't tried this liquid pill, so I'm really excited to try this out. So gently exfoliate skin so it looks fresher, smoother and more luminous. Enriched with Edelweiss extract containing leontopodic acid, suitable for sensitive skin, dermatologically tested. It contains 95 ingredients of natural origin. I have tried their Edelweiss cleanser and serum and I love the fragrance. I'm sure that it has the same fragrance. Now let's see what we have for day 4. Let's open the box and we have mango hand balm. This mango hand balm is meant for dry skin. It offers 96 hours of nourishing moisture. It's a 30 ml product, so yeah, it's a travel size sample. It smells so good. So yeah, it has that fruity mango fragrance. It's nice. So for day 5 we have this, the Body Shop Boost Exfoliating Hand Wash. So it's infused with mandarin and bergamot with 100% natural essential oils. It does have a sweet scent. For day 6 we have the Body Shop Moringa Shampoo. Lather up, rinse, help protect and gently cleanse. Leave dull hair looking healthier and shinier. Made with vegan silk protein. Our Moringa routine helps repair hair from the inside out. It's made with community fair trade Moringa seed extract from Rwanda. Our trade helps support and sustainable income for farmers living in the country's dry eastern province. It comes in recyclable packaging. It has a mild fragrance. So I'm going to treat my dull hair with this shampoo this festive season. What about you? So let's see what we have for day 7. For day 7 we have this cute Born Leafy Strawberry Lip Balm. Each product again comes wrapped in these small gift boxes, and they feature these messages also, like many of our partners are women living in rural areas with limited economic opportunities. Our trade helps us to support them and act as a force for good. We are incredibly proud of it. It smells like bubblegum. Look at this texture. I hope this is tinted because I have lots of colorless lip balms. So for day 8 we have this box. Let's open this box and we have this beauty tool, Bath Lily Noremi Loofah. Let's see what we have for day 9. the Moringa conditioner. So we got both the shampoo and conditioner in this box. It offers shine and protection and made with vegan silk protein. Massage into locks, rinse, help protect and weightlessly condition. Leave dull hair looking healthier and shinier. Made with vegan silk protein, our Moringa routine helps repair hair from the inside out. So it's also 250 ml. So we got the full size shampoo and conditioner in this box, in the same box. Now let's see what we have for day 10. Let's open this box. Okay. Again, another full-size product. The Body Shop Vitamin E Hydrating Toner. My dry skin loves hydrating products, especially during the winter season. It's a 250 ml product for all skin types with protective vitamin E and moisturizing with germ oil. Refreshing alcohol-free toner that removes traces of makeup and cleanser. I think I have used the overnight serum from the vitamin E range. So I'm really excited to give this toner a try. This is a hydrating toner and I have dry skin, so I'm sure this is gonna help nourish my skin. Let's see what we have for day 11. Okay, let's open it. Oh, it's a sheet mask. Okay, so we got the vitamin E hydrating toner and the vitamin E quench sheet mask. I love sheet mask. This is a biodegradable sheet mask suitable for all skin types. Hydrated, enriched with natural origin hyaluronic acid from Bomecal, France, and with germ oil. I'm so happy I received a sheet mask in this box. Now let's see what we have for day 12. Oh, mango bath plant. It's a hydrating bath foam with mango seed oil, carrot, and passion fruit extract. It's a 250 ml product, a full-size product, and hydrating bubbling bath shower cream enriched with antioxidants, vitamins and nutrients for healthier looking skin. It's meant for dry, very dry and tight skin that feels soothed, comforted and softer. It smells lovely. And look at the rich texture. I have never tried this body wash, so yes, I'm super excited to give it a try. For day 13 we have the Body Shop British Rose Body Yogurt. Enriched with community trade organic almond milk from Spain. 48 moisturizing, instantly absorbing and non-sticky gel cream. Look at the texture, the smooth creamy texture. I've always wanted to try this British Rose Body Yogurt and I'm so happy that I got it in this advent calendar. We have this. So for day 14th we have this almond milk lip care stick, a lip balm, and it's vegan for dry sensitive lips. It's a colorless lip balm. It's a sweet nutty fragrance. For day 15th we have another beauty tool, pink clay sponge. For day 16th we have this charcoal purifying glow mask. Look at the texture. I'm already using this face mask and I love it. Even if you have a sensitive skin, you can try this mask. It's really good. You can check out the review on my blog. The link is in the description box. Now let's see what we have for day 17th. For day 17th we have this pink grapefruit shower gel. It's a 250 ml product, another full-size product. So it's made for all skin types, zingy and refreshing. Yes, it has a zingy and refreshing citrusy scent. I know because I have used this product. It smells lovely. I've used this shower gel long back, like 5 to 6 years back, and I reviewed it on my another beauty blog, Natural Beauty and Makeup. It contains 92% grams of natural origin, made with community fair trade organic aloe vera from Mexico. Our trade helps support lather up that beautiful body, rinse lip skin feeling cleansed and refreshed. It's such a refreshing shower gel. I've used it and I know I just love that product. For day 18 we have this mango body scrub, mango sugar body scrub. It's a 50 ml product and it has an amazing fragrance and look at the texture. It's really nice. It's so cute in the tub. How will I use it? Let's see what we have for day 19th now. Avocado body lotion to oil. It's for normal to dry skin, vegan, a 200 ml product. So made with sustainably sourced Hass avocado. I think Hass avocado. Hass. has avocado oil from South Africa using farming practices that reduce water consumption and protect and restore ecosystems. Leave normal to dry skin feeling nourished. Slather on sparingly or generously. We got the body washes and body moisturizer in this advent calendar. I have almost emptied the dryers now. Day 20th we have this The Body Shop British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask. So I got two products from the British Rose range. One is that body yogurt and this face mask. Has that rose fragrance. Oh no, it's a 15 ml product, a sample size product. So for day 21st we have almond milk hand balm. So we got mango hand balm and this almond milk hand balm. It's a 30 ml product and it's meant for dry sensitive skin. A bacon hand balm. It has the same fragrance as the almond milk lip care stick. So we got two products from the almond care range. One is the lip care stick, lip balm, and this hand balm. Well, let's see what we have for day 22nd. Let's open this box now. So we got another sheet mask, and this time it's from the Edelweiss range. This serum is a serum concentrate sheet mask. So this mask enriched with leontopic acid and peptides, smooth and protect. Get a fresh face glow look in just 15 minutes for skin that looks instantly hydrated, fresher and more luminous. I'm going to try both the sheet mask, the vitamin E one and this Edelweiss one. For day 23 we have this Himalayan Charcoal Skin Clarifying Night Pill. Enriched with Himalayan bamboo charcoal. It helps refine the appearance of uneven skin texture and clarifies the complexion. It's made for combination to oily skin. I have combination skin which becomes oily during the summer months and becomes severely dry during the winter months. I'm happy that it's meant for my skin type. It's a 30 ml product. I've never used any liquid pills before, so yes, I'm quite interested in giving this a try. For day 24th we got sheer body butter for very dry skin. It's vegan and 200 ml product. It's completely a full-size product. It has a sweet scent and look at the texture. Thick white creamy texture. Since each product comes individually wrapped in a separate gift box, so these make for the perfect Secret Santa gift or Christmas stocking fillers for your loved ones. So what we got for the day 25th, the Christmas day, we got this is this Sleep Calming Pillow Mist from the Sleep range. It contains lavender and vetiver, made with 100% natural essential oils. Such a nice self-care product. I was looking to give it a try, and I'm happy that I got this product in this advent calendar. It smells so good. I love lavender fragrance. A full-size 100 ml product. So these are the 25 had to do beauty treats we have in the ultimate The Body Shop Wishes and Wonders advent calendar this year. I love the pop-up illustration. You can display it during the Christmas season. It looks beautiful. The Ultimate Wishes and Wonders Advent Calendar is priced at £145, but the total value of this box is worth £250, which means you are saving almost £105 on this Advent Calendar this year. Isn't it great? Also remember, you can use my personal code FEnchanting at the checkout to get 20% off while shopping at the Body Shop. But please note that the code won't work for the advent calendars. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video. I'll come up with a new video soon. Until then, stay beautiful and stay healthy.